Do you like sipping coffee in the mornings and watching wildlife? Maybe champagne in the hot tub is more your jam? Or maybe a game of pool is more your style. This home has so many great spaces to spend time with your loved ones. Welcome to 4 Jan Drive here in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm Carrie Ann Chandler. I'm with eXp Realty, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful home. It's so peaceful up here on the upper deck, and you can spy birds and deer, and oh, there's a squirrel, and other wildlife while you sip your morning coffee or have dinner on your upper deck. And what do we see peeking behind the trees? Something signature to Asheville, North Carolina, a little bit of a mountain view. This primary has got it going on. Walk-in closet, anyone? Downstairs, you have a finished basement with 1 bedroom and 2 bonus rooms, and this wide open space to spend time with your loved ones. This bonus room has French doors. Don't want to forget the downstairs walkout deck with hot tub. Did I mention there's a 2-car garage? I don't want to forget to mention the beautiful side yard and this cute sitting area